Hello everyone, my name is Mouse Tutorial and today I'm going to show you how to add a creative tab to your mod. Now this is really easy, so don't worry about that. Just follow along. So what we want to do is we want to make a new public static creative tabs. Then your tab name, so in this case I'm using tab top. And that's going to be a new class, so new tab top. And we need two parameters for this. We need an ID, a creative tab ID, and we need a name. So for the creative tab ID, there is a really easy trick. Use creative tabs.get next ID. That will get the next available ID. Now for the name, I'm going to use reference.modID, just like that. Now it gives you one error because that class does not exist yet. So create a class. And I prefer to do that in creative tab package. There we go. So now we want to add a constructor public tab top. And as you could see before, we need an int ID and a string name. And we're going to pop that to the superclass just like this. ID and name. Now what we want to do is we want to add one more thing, which is going to return the texture that the creative tab has. Like for blocks it is blockstone, and for combat I think it is a sword, a golden sword, but I'm not sure. So we want to add that for our mod as well. So add override, because we are gonna override something in the creative tabs class. And it's gonna only apply on the client side, so use side only side.client. The server doesn't have to do any texturing or anything. And I don't have to use that curly brackets. Just like that. Okay. So we want to say public item stack. We are going to return an item stack. Get icon item stack. So that's what we're going to do. Ooh, there we go. Now we want to return a new item stack. And the item stack is going to hold the block or the item that you want to use. In my case, I want to use the black stick. So I say mod items dot black stick. Now the amount of black sticks is basically always going to be 1 because yeah, you don't want multiple in your creative tab. And the third parameter we need is the damage, or with other words, if you use a metadata block, how many do you want it? Ooh, there we go. 0. So in this case I don't have metadata, so I'm gonna use 0. So save everything, and we need to add a semicolon just like that. Okay, we're pretty much done. Now we need to add one more thing, and that is our language. So open up your language file, copy this, paste it right there, and change the key to item group. First letter is lowercase and group is uppercase. Dot top for in my case. And I want to change the name, of course. So save that. Go back into your Eclipse and refresh your resources. Don't forget that, otherwise it will mess up. Now start your Minecraft up. There we go. Waiting a few seconds before that's loaded. There we go. And open up your world. Now open your inventory, go to the second tab, and there we go. That's our creative tabs. There are no blocks in here, but I'll show you quickly how we can add them. So go to your item class, and you want to create change creative tabs or tab combat to creative tab tab top or top. Or top, like this. That's how you want to do it. You want to say your mod class and then your tab. So let's see if that actually worked and if it is in our creative tab right now. And of course you can do that for the block as well. I will do that off camera because that's a bit, yeah. I don't have to show you twice. It's pretty easy. So if we now open up our creative tabs, we can see that our block is in that creative tab, which is great. So now we know how to add a creative tab. It wasn't that hard, but I just wanted to show you guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter. I will post there when I upload a new video. And I hope I'll see you next time. So, see ya.